One.
Здравствуйте, друзья! Сегодня мы встречаемся с очень известным астрологом, хиромантом, физиогномиком, нумерологом, доктором Ша, с которым мы очень много лет контактируем. Он находится в Керале. И этот человек очень многим помог своими знаниями, своими исследованиями жизни, своим позитивом, улыбкой и той информацией, которой он делится с нами. Прежде всего, конечно, это астрологические знания, но они выверяются через те знания, которые он имеет по хиромантии, физиогномике и цифрам, числам. И сейчас я задам некоторые короткие вопросы, на которые нам доктор Ша с удовольствием ответит.
I'm not doctor. Okay.
What does astrology mean for you?
Astrology meaning we cannot travel time machine we don't have. We are very intelligent. We are very, very scientific people. But we don't find out until now time traveling machine. What happened next year? What happened 10 years? We don't know. So, we must be use some technique. The first or grandfathers, they find out some nimitta, some shastra, some idea, some sound, some visual, some effect. This all we believe in that. And astrology meaning also say, you don't need to time travel, you know what will be happen. This is the astrology do. No any magic happen, no any bad karma, good karma, or behave your grandfather karma, your grandmother karma. This is nothing. There is no happen nothing. In my idea, whatever my karma, I do. Whatever I cannot do, the astrology will be, I am astrologer, I will say, okay, you spending $500,000 for next month for business. Please, after 6 months later you spend, now your time is no good. If you listen, it's okay. If you never listen, it's also okay. But why you cannot use the idea? Why you lost your ego for $500,000? Why? $500,000 you losing for your ego. You can listen, okay, this small astrologer talk after 3 months, okay, after 3 months we will spend. So what happened is, before 3 months if I spend this money, what happened? Oh, you will cheat like this, maybe this woman or this man cheat, or this big man cheat, or this, like, I can explain that. This is I doing. I don't have any magic power, I don't believe any magic. I never believe any spiritual things also. Because I am using my knowledge. See, me, I don't have a Rudraja, Dam, Dum, Dim, Dang, nothing. Why? Because when people get interview, they need costume. Why they need costume? Because they don't have a knowledge other things. You see, if you interview with the doctor never wear anything because he know he is educated doctor. If you call Vakil for interview in front of your video, they wearing nothing. They wearing ordinary dress because the jurist, the Vakil, he know, the lawyer know, I am educated lawyer. Why only astrologer and guru people come wearing these things? Why? Because they never educated for that matter. Why I am never wearing this costume? Because I am studying, I am wasting my time last 60 years. When I am 10 years old, I interested these things. By chance, accidentally. After 20, I interest more. After 23, 100% I want to be learn this astrology or chiromancy. Every magic I want to learn. Finally, what? Searching my life, all life. Finally, what I find out, there is no magic there. No, only magician have, but magic never happened. No Tandra Mandra happened, no nothing happened, but everything believing. If I believe you done $20 for some good things, if you believing my bad time is go, maybe happen, that is your mind, clearing yourself. That is yourself you clearing, doing some karma, some guru talk, you feed some people, some food, 50 people or 25 people. When you feed the food for 50 people, you feel good. That good feeling brings you very positive things. This is the idea. There is I am not blaming to mama, papa, grandmama, grandpapa, their karma. No, my karma with me, their karma with them. If I have program, I will survive. How many years I survive doesn't matter. Even 1 year I survive or 100 years. Story is the same, born and die. What you bring, nothing. What you take, nothing. This is the I believe. I believe in this is the only one thing. I doing my whole life, different country of people, thousands of people. I read palm and I read the astrology. 99% they are all happy. Happy meaning they are not blind me. Maybe 1% is something wrong. I don't know because nobody is perfect. Because even until now we never make one watch perfect. Because we cannot make perfect watch. Because
Question.
yeah.
Second question
Yeah, of course.
is астролог Ша занимался с самого раннего детства. Он изучал астрологию с самого детства и считает основной книгой, которая ему заложила знания об астрологии, Рама Верьер или Воин Рамы. Он учился у многих учителей, высоких учителей в астрологии, хиромантии, в физиогномике, в нумерологии. И вопрос наш следующий. Что для него самое главное? What is your main point in your researching this life?
My whole life I research. The real fact is I am just born a bad society, bad behavior people. They are calling themselves intelligent. They have thousands of religion, hundreds of language, different of egos, color ego and religion ego. Too many difficult ego people center I born. My family also have ego. My God have ego. My life totally ego people I meet. Everyone have these egos. So I born like this planet. I survive. When I am young, 12 years old, I start to work. Now I am 71, I am still working. I enjoy my work. Any work I do. This is not important to me to do only astrology. No. I can do any work. That is my body I need. I will work another work also. That's my job. That I do. But this is God. Why God gave me this chance? God meaning nature. I believe in nature is God. Why giving me this chance? Because I am honest. Which one I don't know, I never talk. I never make people scare. Even scary people, I take them very easy handling. Because there is everything you have an answer, but nobody satisfied. Why no satisfy people? Because satisfaction we don't have. Any human have satisfaction. If you ask me, I give you this all planet, you satisfied? I say no. Okay, all galaxy I give you, you satisfied? No. What I need? Really I don't know what I need. This is I am human. I don't have any answer what I need. Maybe the universe have infinity border, but my fantasy no have any destination. With my fantasy working, no have a destination. I don't have a destination. I never happy for anything. Nothing. Even I believe in this is not an intelligent planet. Intelligent planet people never live like this scary, ugly face, each other not talking, each other not compromising. They are fighting for land, they are fighting for money, they are fighting for their God. This is very crazy, stupid world. It is not an intelligent world, stupid world. If it is intelligent world, you will smile. And 8 billion people smile morning, wake up. They will smile. They never scare today what going, what will happen. That is the intelligent world. We are not dealing today intelligent world. We are dealing with stupid world. Everyone need their own ego. They are fighting for God. How many troubles happen this planet? Too many trouble happen. This all bad behaviors in people have. You know what they get? Nothing. The community we lost. Everything we lost. Today, before we all living one home. My mama, papa, my grandmama, everybody. Today even brother to brother never living together. Even children never living together, mama. They all splitting, every day splitting. And the people talk this is a democracy, how to come democracy. Splitting the people every day. Splitting the religion way, splitting the language way, splitting the nation way. This splitting this is not an intelligent word in my understanding is, this planet today is stupid people world. And I have a dream, some intelligent will be born, then this planet will have a peaceful atmosphere. You can travel anywhere, even night or day. You can enjoy with any man or woman, anywhere in the planet. You no need to suffer, you no need to worry about your children, you no need to worry about your home, you not to worry about your food. Like that planet we need like that planet. And we don't have like that planet. Even this way we travel, we never reach anywhere.
But
this is
how?
I understand.
How we can unite the people on this planet?
Before is unit, everyone is united. Now they're splitting. And when the reunite, this is impossible in near future. Because every day splitting, every day by day splitting. Before is unit. Before India have one party and another one against party. Today hundreds of parties. So they are splitting. Again splitting. Before I want to afraid one God, one king. Today I must afraid thousands of kings. This is the difference. How become community one? Impossible. No. Nobody help anyone.
What is the main planet for us?
This is our planet, our mother planet. Even go you Mars, there is no ability, no stability, no any favorable things in Mars, Luna, or even go 61 Sydney, or you go Vega, or you go Andromeda galaxy, or you go the Far Wheel galaxy, or you go the merging galaxy, even you go the other universe or multiverse. There is no like my mother. My mother is the precious thing. My mother is the precious planet. There is no anywhere like this planet who take care like this creature. Million of creatures. This is my planet. This is our planet. This is the only one planet until now available for habitable. And we must take care of this planet. Every creature, we must respect the planet. Every human is a precious. Every human is incredible because they come and go. They never come back again billion of years. Even rich or poor. They only come visitor. 2 minutes, they show the head, then they disappear. So very valuable life I have every human. But today, nobody need human. Before, everybody need human. Because they want to build castle, they want to build wall, they want to build some factories. Today they no need human because today everything machine do. Today 500 people job only 5 machine do. So nobody needs today local people. That is today going. I see my research. Before one farm 500 people work. Today the same farm 20 people working. Before human is little. Now human is too much. What going on I don't know. Few people have a computer job. That is not enough for all planet. No. Few people have a computer job. That's not enough. This is I understand my life here. And even my life is anyway very good because I am 10 years old. I start to work. When 14 years old, I buy clothes for my mama, my baba, my brother and sister. I buy clothes for them. I work and I buy for. Even I am 70 years old. When I am 69 years old, I buy clothes for my mama. That time also. Very good luck life I have. I suffer too much. But suffering is making strong. Every day I feel I am strong because I can talk, I can walk, I can sleep, I can eat. This is my Darovia, this is my health. I don't need like a Mike Tyson. No, I don't need that. I need my life, my own life. This is I believe.
Супер. We are meeting each other on 11th of November.
11 is
11, 11, 11, 11.
my friend, every number is only 10. Human ideas too much. This 10 number we play horse race. This 10 number we play lottery. This 10 number we using for astrology. This 10 number we using for trillion dollar case in computer. This is number nothing to do. Human do problem. Number is a 10. This is our problem. This is our problem. Number nothing to do. Every number is good. Somebody says 6 number no good. But somebody 6 number no good. But some other one 6 number is average. Somebody don't taking okay 8 number is no good. But somebody like 8 number. So different idea.
And your idea about self-healing. Астролог Ша говорит нам о том, что самая главная планета для нас – это планета Земля. Посмотрите, что здесь сегодня происходит, насколько человек глупо поступил с такой красивой планетой. Он говорит о том, что сегодня 11 ноября, 11:11, каждая цифра имеет свою вибрацию, каждая цифра имеет свою красоту. И только человек решает, как он будет поступать в своей повседневной жизни, не зацикливаясь на цифрах. И я спрашиваю о том, что такое самолечение, как человеку нужно восстановить себя самого без дополнительных ресурсов. What is the self-healing? What is the nature of human body? How we can cure?
Body, if you listen body listen you. If you listen womb only answer. Womb needs too many things. Body need 5 things. Human body or any animal body, what they need? Little food and water, little enjoyment, little sleep, little work. How you happy, you need also little sadness. So this 5 things is human need. Not human, every animal needs these things. This is only body need. And this body every second getting old. That is nature. Because everything moving. Sun moving, planet moving, galaxy moving, universe moving. There is no stability. You cannot make your face stability. You cannot make your teeth stability. Impossible. Impossible. We cannot make stability in our sun. Impossible. The sun also every second change. They are traveling. We are very good luck. Sun traveling good area. If little bad area, sun travel in galaxy, we don't have our story, we have nothing. Everything finished. So we are very good luck people. Our sun is traveling very good area nowadays. This is big scientists say this is a 20 rotation already in cosmos in our sun. The 21st one is now going on rotation. Maybe it will be take great or maybe some change come. This is future. Anything happen. Sun is not guarantee. Cosmos not guarantee. Our life no guarantee. Our happiness no stability. Our sadness no stability. Our program no stability. This universe no stability. That is true. If you think you want your beauty stability, it's impossible. You want your salary stability, impossible.
But how you cure yourself?
I am nothing. I am 71, I am old man. But I have a pain chest. I think my chest working good. If I have a stomach pain, I think my stomach working good. Sometime I have a problem head, I think my head working good. If which organ no pain, I thinking that organ maybe die already. But it's thanks God, every organ pain. So I thinking I am fully alive. This is the way I going on.
Thank you.
This is the way. I know complaint nature. I know complaint government. I know complaint any other human. My wife or my mama or papa. I never complain anyone. This is the life. Nature wish me. I must handle how much I can. When nature stop my program, I will close my chapter. Finish. This is true. And I always expecting some genius will born. One day our children or our community become one again. We talk single language. We have a single religion. We don't have any military or any weapon in this planet. We don't have any poison in this planet. Everything, because human is very precious thing. Human love everything. Some girls love some pets like a mother. The human love human. Human love everything. So the great human, until one day we have the great human born, one genius, he will bring you the idea and we will expect that day. Maybe if I talk like that, Muslim people say their religion come one day. Or Hindu say, no, my God come that day. Christian say, no, my God come. I never think like that. I take in the ordinary man and brain is intelligent, the real. Like this
Thank you.
genius will become. Don't worry. Even our lifetime no happen this, no problem. Our children lifetime this will be happen. Because this way human never end his life. Why we making weapon? I don't want to kill you. You don't want to kill me. Why weapon? Land is here. Even million years before land here. Today also here. After million years this land is here. Human only story.
Спасибо. Thank you. Спасибо большое за интервью и до новых встреч.